welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mwalimu R Gigi, and in this channel I've brought you good news. We will now be discussing on lectures, notes, and also KNEC past papers for people doing diploma in building technology and diploma in civil engineering, because as you know, they share some units. So we'll be tackling that. I hope you're going to learn something. I hope you're going to have fun. And at the end of the day, our aim is to make sure that you pass your KNEC exams. So please stay tuned and subscribe, like, and share. So if you want to contact me, my number is 07 15 72 42 17. So you can WhatsApp me on 07 15 72 42 17. Just use your phone and WhatsApp me, and I'll be adding some groups. I have groups, WhatsApp groups for Diploma Module 1, Diploma Module 2, Diploma Module 3. So if you're willing to join the groups, please, you can also contact me through the same number and you'll be added into a group. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. So at the end of the day, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.